Hey guys, it's Remington Amarillo Land Service. So I have two things I want to get off my chest. And the first is last year we spent a significant amount of our profits on marketing. It's great to market, and it's just something that we have to do in business. I was disappointed in the return I received from marketing and that money spent. So 2020, I want to do it organic. I have a ton of followers on Facebook, Instagram, and there's no reason that with your help that I don't need to pay for marketing. I can keep my costs a little bit lower. I know that we do a good job for y'all, and I know I have a couple of friends and family on here, so my goal this year is for y'all to share our page. I think it's important for any small business, especially one that's done some work for you, done you a good job, go to church with, personally. If they're good and reputable and stand behind their work, share their content. It is so easy. It's just a click. So that's my challenge to my group of people. Share information. If we put information out and share it, it is so important to us. It's vital to our business, and it's a morale booster when I see someone shares some content that we put out. It just means a lot to me. You'd be surprised at what that means to us. So, second thing I have pulled up here, our nursery. They're doing a huge winter tree sale. 50% off on a lot of trees. Purple robe locust, Texas ash, sycamores, cottonless cottonwood, and a Taylor juniper. All very nice trees. Those are 50% off. And then they have special pricing on red oaks from all different sizes: 2 inch, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, and then some golden rings, 2 inches. There's only 2 of those left. There's 1 and 2 in these different sizes at different prices. And sometimes they've been in the container too long, but with the proper training, you can go in there and trim some of those roots back and make sure there's no girdling roots, and you get an outstanding price for this tree. On top of that, we're going to discount our install price. Matters on the location, how big the tree is, but it's going to be a discounted rate. And then if it's an area that we need to call 811 or anything like that, we'll come out, look at the area, get that scheduled. If you have an old tree, all the time you can drive through any neighborhood and you'll see the big trunk tree with a small top, or a tree that has rotted and broke. We'll dig that out for free and replace that tree. So if you have a tree that needs to come out, we'll do that for free, no charge. This spring we got a lot of work coming ahead, so I want to install every tree they have. I want to clear them out of their trees, and I can't do that without y'all. So please share. If you need a tree installed, it's going to be the cheapest that you're ever going to get it done, especially by a professional. This last 2 weeks. So we've been busy. Today is the 15th. So let's take it till January 31st. Sounds like a good day to do it. We'll close this out January 31st. Give your wife or significant other a good Valentine's gift for once. She doesn't want chocolate. She wants a locust. She wants some trees. Do her a favor. Dedicate it to her. It's better than stars. Don't dedicate a star. Dedicate a tree. Do it for me. So we're just excited about that. We knew that this was coming with the trees, that they were going to have these deep discounts. We've talked to them, so they're excited for us to move them. Of course, they're ready. What they're trying to do is bring in new inventory, so let's get these out of the way for them. They're good trees, nothing wrong with these trees. So let us get you some good trees, cheap, and don't deal with it. Don't dig a hole. You don't need to. Don't worry about it. Don't try to look up how to install it and then do it wrong, so then it chokes out and dies. Don't hassle with it. Let us do it. We can stake it, bag it. So our stakes, you won't have any visible stakes. You'll have a cord going to the ground. We use the Texas twister. It goes in the ground 12 inches, makes it minimum trip hazard. It'll be right there in that tree canopy. And then we can also put on a gator bag. I'll do that gator bag at cost around 30 bucks, I believe. I'm not looking at it, but whatever it costs me, I'll show you my invoice. I'll put a gator bag in at cost. Go out there, you fill that up twice a week. You don't even have to think about it. And it slow releases that water and guarantees you to have a tree this spring that you're just gonna enjoy. So give us a call, 806-477-2605. What do you think about these walls? This is my new office we just finished. My wife hates the walls, but she didn't get to choose. So we're in our new office. Big things for 2020. You'll see us around landscape lighting. That'll be big this year. We're gonna be hitting that. You'll see it on a lot of new homes. So something to think about. Get involved with the Texas Panhandle Builders Association. We got the home show coming up. We got the parade of homes. We're members of that. We're members of the TPIA, the Texas Panhandle Irrigators Association. So bonded with the city. Can't get a better group of guys out there on your house. And this is the time to do it. If you don't know us, get to know us. We're excited to grow our clientele this year. I'm excited to see what we can do organically. I know we can. I know that y'all share this for us. We're excited about that. So give us a call. Amarillo Land Service, 806-477-2605. We also have a web page, AmarilloLandServices.com, and you can go on there. You can schedule from there. You don't even have to talk to anybody on the phone. You can book a service call if that's what you're going to need this spring for irrigation or any need that you have outdoors. Really, we'll take care of you. But before you know it, it's going to be really warming up. I know it sounds far away. It's supposed to snow. So we're your irrigators to get that going this year. Give us a call and let's see what we can do for you.